Good morning, day 5. Looks promising. Just stopped for breakfast, peeled some layers. It's starting to warm up. It's really cloudy. It almost looks like rain, but I just checked the forecast and it just looks like a comfortable day to hike in the 50s, maybe low 60s, so overcast. So when I get up in the morning, a lot of times, especially on this trip, it's been so cold, so I've been wearing my booties and my down hood to bed every night. But in the morning, as long as it's dry, I wear this thing walking in the morning, because if I've got a couple of top layers on these hoodies, it just feels like it, it's kind of doesn't give my head full range of motion. I'm blind in one eye, so my good eye needs full range of motion. And it doesn't make as much noise, because when you move your head, it moves with you, whereas your hoodie kind of stays in place. And so that keeps me warm the first hour of dark hiking. And like I say, on this trip, it stays pretty cool pretty late. The sun's up now, but it's behind the clouds. So it's just now, I've been on the trail an hour and a half, and it's just starting to get a point where I'm starting to peel layers. I'm at mile 70, mostly upstroke all morning, but now my reward is downstroke. Pulling the shade on day 5. Spent the day skirting Mount Wrightson. There was some snow on the trail, but not really too bad. The trail's at low enough elevation. And now, tomorrow, I'm trying to get a couple more miles in tonight before it gets dark, but tomorrow we're going to be in mostly grassy, rolling terrain like that.